So here we can see this part is the web content, which is what the main topic for today is. And web content basically means entire tab. Suppose here you can see so many tabs open in my window. So each tab is a web content instance. This is what web content is. Everything inside a tab is a web content instance. Now, how a normal tab operates is uh, first a web content instance is created, and then tab UI is created, and in that tab UI, the web content is appended. That's how a new tab is created. Just like I create a new tab, so it's created using combination of web content and tab UI. This is done in the tab strip model, which we can see here present uh, here. So basically, through various functions, it appends the web content in a particular tab, and then um, our complete tab is ready like this. So what we will be doing is instead of attaching it with a tab UI in the tab strip model, we will directly be creating a web content instance, and then we will be running it in a background way such that there is no need to show a new tab open while we will be fetching various web pages or loading URLs. So here I can show you how I have done it, a small way of showing it. So here we can see that I've created a new service. Before that, just a small explanation for profile architecture. So in the profile architecture in Chromium is somewhat uh, profile is a object. Earlier it was object which had all the states in it. Later on, because of the excessive teardown issues, it was changed from having all the states in it to a lightweight handler object with minimal states, and a dependency manager was added to um, handle all the um, services or states for that profile. So what how it's done is, so the important thing that we will be um, learning is how to add a new service. Just like we heard, we um, got to know here that there were 58 states or services running earlier in the profile, which caused teardown. So they changed it into a minimal state object with a dependency manager. So how we can add our own service in it? For adding a new service, there is an object called each service, and for managing its lifetime, we have a profile each service factory, also known as PKSF. This factory method is used for handling a particular service uh, per profile. The creation and deletion of a particular service per profile. It also gives us um, ways to methods for example, if I want to add a particular service only for a certain profile and not for another profile, that can be done using this. And also it uh, basically that's what it does. Yeah.